In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image in Google Earth Pro. Now, there's actually two ways I'm going to show you, which I do think are the best and the easiest. The first one is adding these place marks up here. So you want to click on the pin button to add a place mark, and then you want to position it wherever you want it, for example, like up here. And then, of course, you can give it a name over here, and then you can stylize it, color it, whatever. And here you want to either click on Add Web Image or Add Local Image. I'm going to click on Add Local Image. I'm going to go and just use the shirt design I have over here. It doesn't really matter. For you, of course, you can pick whatever and then click on open. Now, when you do this over here, click on OK. And now whenever you basically click on the landmark or place mark over here, it's going to show your image over here. And then the second way is going to be a bit more convenient because it's actually going to show your image or picture on the map itself. So go up top over here, click on Add, and then Image Overlay. In here, you want to again give it a name, and then from here you can browse your image. I'm going to click the same one and click on Open. Now it's going to open, and by default it's going to be quite big, so I can reposition it by basically going here in the middle where there's this plus button, the green one, and you can reposition it. And of course, at the edges over here you have these green lines and borders which allow you to change its size. Okay, so I'm going to now place it in here as an overlay, and there we go. That's basically how we can do this. Now here you also have the option to change transparency. You can go and change the view altitude, you can change locations, etc. Just don't forget to click on OK whenever you're done. Now if you want to, of course, move it or resize it later, you want to simply go over here on the left. You want to find it and you want to right click and you want to click on properties, and it's going to allow you to edit it again. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.